Zamin-e-Aahu, the guarantor of the deer. Dear children, today we have a truly heartwarming story to share with you. It's called Zamin-e-Aahu, a Persian phrase that means the guarantor of the deer. This is a story of a kind deer, her two adorable fawns, and a noble man, Imam Reza, peace be upon him, the grandson of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his family. Once upon a time, in a quiet green forest, a mother deer was walking peacefully with her babies. Suddenly, a hunter appeared. He was carrying a bow and arrows, and when he saw the deer, he started to chase her. The deer ran as fast as she could. Her heart was beating fast. She had to save herself, and return to her babies. She kept running, and running, until she reached a place where Imam Reza, peace be upon him, was sitting calmly. She ran straight to him, and stood by him. She was tired, scared, and seeking protection. Just then, the hunter arrived. He looked at the Imam and said, "This is my deer. She belongs to me. Hand her over." Imam Reza, peace be upon him, looked at him with kindness and said, "I will pay you more than she is worth. Please let her go." But the hunter replied, "No, I don't want money. I just want this deer." And then, something amazing happened. The deer began to speak. "Oh kind Imam, I have two little babies waiting for me in the forest. They are hungry, and I need to feed them. Please ask this hunter to let me go, so I can feed my children. I promise, I will come back." Imam Reza, peace be upon him, turned to the hunter and said, "Let her go. I promise, she will return." The hunter was surprised, but he agreed. The deer rushed back to the forest, and there were her two little babies, waiting for her. They were so happy to see their mother again. She fed them lovingly, and they felt safe once more. But the deer had made a promise. She knew she had to return. So, she took her fawns with her, and together they walked back to the Imam. She stood in front of the hunter, bowed her head, and said nothing. The hunter was amazed. He had never seen such truth, such loyalty, such kindness. Then he realized, this man who gave the guarantee, was no ordinary man. Imam Reza, peace be upon him, a man chosen by Allah, full of mercy. The hunter felt ashamed. He fell at the Imam's feet, and begged for forgiveness. Imam Reza forgave him, and gave him a reward. And the hunter set the deer free. The deer looked at the Imam, bowed her head in gratitude, and returned to the forest with her children, happy, safe, and free. Dear children, this was the beautiful story of Zaamin-e-Aahu, a story of mercy, trust, and kindness. From this story, we learn that Allah's chosen ones, the Prophet Muhammad and his family, were kind to every creature, not just people, but animals, birds, and even plants. They taught us to show compassion to the weak, and when we do that, Allah shows mercy to us. May peace and blessings be upon Muhammad and the pure family of Muhammad, peace be upon him.